Hello everyone and welcome to our another tutorial which is about tracking job posting. I am Marie, the CEO and founder of Marie Olivier Ltd, and I help people find their why and build around it fulfilling life through profitable personal brand. So let's take a look at the tracking of job posting. Did you actually know that LinkedIn is usually one of the best spots where you can find the job posts? This is really crucial because this is how the whole LinkedIn started. And tracking the job posting is very important because you want to see what jobs are available right now and if they fit your skill set. So one of my really interesting searches is, of course, to use the search bar. So here, for example, you can write web developer very easily, and then you just choose that you want to search it among the jobs. So this is very easily how you can land in the different searches. So here, for example, I was looking at web developer with one of my clients in Germany, and you can see that I can set the alerts, I can also easily apply, etc. And here LinkedIn has the option to help you track what jobs you can apply for. You can see the application status, and it's easier to manage where and how you apply for a job than, for example, in other platforms. It also eliminates situations where you apply to multiple jobs accidentally for that same employer. I think that anybody who were ever unemployed, it happened to them, and it's a bit awkward because then you just are like in the cycle, and they might end up just putting your CV immediately into the trash just because they already saw your name. So this can prove to be very problematic and challenging, and this is how we can actually get rid of it. So you can, for example, do some tip and tricks. As I already told you, you can set alerts, but you can also save the jobs. So saving the jobs for later review is really efficient because, for example, I have my LinkedIn on my desktop, but also mobile. So not only I can like search for the jobs when I am actually in my desktop, like right now, but also when I am commuting, for example, when I am at the bus, you can open the application and you can save your jobs for later. Then the next one is also other strategies. So try to set alerts for your specific industry and the niche so that the alerts are more relevant. This is very important, and you can, for example, search for other terms. So you can also be interested in the project manager in the specific location. So, for example, you can set Brussels region, and here you will get exactly the banner where you can set the alert for this position. You can also select in your settings and notification if you want to receive that exact alert not only in application, in your mobile, desktop, but also in your email so that you can react as soon as possible. So this one will make your life much easier. Also, make sure that your LinkedIn profile is complete and it has all of the info you want to. So let me just briefly show you my profile. So you want to have a really high quality profile picture, also relevant banner. So some people, they do mistake that they sometimes don't have any banner. You want to also have a straightforward bio, who you are as an expert, business, whatever, who you actually are and how you can what are you bringing to table for your potential employers. You want to also have maybe some call to action. I have it here more for clients, but if you are looking for a job, you can just set here a scheduler where people can immediately just schedule a call with you, and also target the about section. If you want to know more about how to tackle the about section, then go to my website and go to the articles section, and here you can find more about section, how to actually write it properly. Then also you want to have the experiences, you want to be active on LinkedIn, and so on and on. Also, you want to check related companies to the one that you applied for. So who knows? Maybe they could have some relevant options for you. So if you are applying, for example, I don't know, for European Commission, then you want to also check other governmental and public sector organizations, just in case that they have also something relevant. And don't forget to include keywords in your LinkedIn job applications, because even though in many cases you actually have this kind of easy apply stuff, which has your generic CV, and it's really easy. I mean, I know it's really easy to apply, just click the button, but usually what the HR is doing is they really just scan your CV for the keywords. So if you are really interested in, let's say, that this webmaster specialist in the Aachen, if I pronounce it well, is your dream job, just don't hit that easy apply immediately and work a bit on your CV, because this will secure your job right away, or at least the interview. So this was just in a nutshell about the job tracking and how you can land your dream job really soon. So if you want to know more about the tips and tricks on LinkedIn, follow me on my LinkedIn profile, so linkedin.com/Marie or go to my website mariolivi.com and go to the articles section where you can find more on branding and LinkedIn. And I will see you next time. Bye.